It's said that the sun shines on Rancho Santa Fe 320 days a year. Picture a secluded, semi-tropical paradise only a few miles from the Pacific Ocean. The ranch truly is one of a kind. This quiet community, located just 25 miles north of downtown San Diego, is equal parts serenity and magnificent decadence. Often thought as one of America's most affluent communities, Rancho Santa Fe feels as much like an urban oasis as it does a town. Rancho Santa Fe is the epitome of luxury living, yet the residents here truly feel a sense of privacy. Rolling hills, open wooded acres, and mature landscaping is seen throughout the 7 square miles that encompass the ranch. This definitely makes for interesting locations for homes and land use options. Most parcels of land are 2 to 4 acres, and keeping with the rural theme, streetlights and sidewalks are banned from the residential areas. If golf is your game, Rancho Santa Fe has 6 courses to choose from, all within a few miles: the Bridges, the Rancho Santa Fe Golf Club, and the Crosby. If you'd prefer a game of tennis, 12 championship courts are located at the private club. Other leisure activities include the private Rancho Riding Club, which offers riding lessons, boarding, and maintenance for association members, not to mention nearly 40 miles of equestrian trails. The school system in the ranch is second to none, rivaling the most exclusive private schools throughout the county. The recently constructed state-of-the-art elementary and middle school boasts some of the best teacher-student ratios. If you're looking to wind down after a long day on the trails, or just want to sit peacefully and sip on a fine glass of Chardonnay, you must visit the village. Fine dining at restaurants like Mille Fleurs, a casual lunch and day spa at the inn, or shopping along Paseo Delicias awaits. Rancho Santa Fe is a California original, with shaded walking trails, private estates, and a respect for its natural surroundings, truly a timeless community.